I got something in the mail today. And it's so distressing I'm gonna need a knife. A big sharp knife. Cut open the loot crates, because they're here! Yay!
Yeah!
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we're breaking the seal of the loot crates. This is, I don't know. Wait, does it say somewhere on there? Does it say somewhere on there?
Say what?
Then they had sizes on it before? No?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. All right. The loot crates. Oh,
How do you
yes.
Oh, yes! Fiona! What is it? Oh, these are the
Jake.
Funko figures. Oh my god!
Wow.
The character inside though is not the Tim, by the way.
It's not.
It's not?
It's not.
Is
It's
it random?
Random.
What's the Minecraft figure?
Minecraft figure. Ooh.
2 blind packs.
All right, what else you got?
T-sort of Link.
Zelda.
Oh.
Ooh, adventure, excitement. A Jedi craves not these things.
And the button, which is Link's, and oh, it's the Minecraft swords. Oh, it's
everything.
Finn's sword and Steve's sword with the Zelda shield. That is really cool.
Oh my God.
What is this? Oh my god!
You
It's
see
dangerous
this?
alone to take this bottle open on.
Oh.
The Friend Zone soundtrack.
Oh no, are you in the friend zone?
No.
Why?
Wow.
Wow. What is this? Take Back the Night.
Stickers.
Stickers. Mark Plier tats. What else do we have here? Oh, what is this? Sticker sets.
Yes, and notice what's missing. What's missing?
The book.
It's now online only.
Oh.
Oh, Loot Crate, how could you?
That's a disappointment. I liked having the book.
All right, hold up your favorite item,
My Adventure Time tin with figure inside.
Yeah.
Luke. All right, say goodbye, Loot Crate.
Bye.